Hey, YouTube, it's Bryce. Doesn't look like the happiest day out there. It's raining. And hold on. Yeah, it's still raining because you can see the van. Well, you can't really see the sprinkles. You can kind of see them on the hood. My dad's truck. You can really see it on SpongeBob and the ghost. Oh, and that. Not really that. Oh, you can see it on the PT. But yeah, I just had to tell you that it actually does rain in Las Vegas. Yeah. And now people are being dumb and going fast. Dum-dums. I should call my friend and invite him over. That'd be so cool. Cause last year when it rained, it like poured, but it was nighttime, so it was like, whoo, and we had to wear our jackets and everything. I think it's dying down. No, still same. There was like lightning, but I don't think there is anymore. And I'm dumb because I have short sleeve shirt on, short pants. I'm just, wow. See, you can see the clouds. They're all gloomy. Over there it's nice and bright. Over here where I live, it's all dark. Well, looks like down there it kind of looks like it's clearing up. Well, not really, but it will probably rain more tonight. Probably. Whoa! Ding! Okay. Holy crap. Okay. That was huge. And if you counted, that was like 2 seconds away. That was loud. Well, you couldn't see the lightning, but I could. And I kind of counted like 3, 2 seconds. So I'm just going to keep it. Oh, see that area right there? It's all clear. But where I live, like right above me, it's all cloudy. Sure. Great. Is it still? Oh yeah. Well, I don't see anymore, but that was huge. Did you hear the sound of that? That was like, well, not like that. That sounds like a machine gun, but I think my dad's calling me, so I'll see you later, and I'll keep you updated on the rain.